catch me, boy. I'm overseas at about 100 G's for show. Don't test me, boy. Cause I rap with the best for show. 305 to the death of me. Cremate my body, let the ocean have.
He's a sweet spirit. You should go out there.
See the yogurt at the bottom of your feet?
That too.
Let's pull the yogurt up, Ron. Let's see it. What are you eating?
It's right there.
We see it. It was in the...
It's just a little breakfast snack.
He was eating while Debbie was doing the weather.
Yeah.
Oh,
Not
good.
while he was supposed to be doing the news.
Okay. Oh, I thought we could stand on opposite sides.
No, we're just going to make this a little confusing. Wondering where she got those mechanic hands.
I hear the next verse.
It's like a woman's cleavage. After a certain age, nobody wants to see it.
She's a great actress. It means that she
It's our boss
made a
saying
lot of
Ron.
money.
Hello.
Cut.
That was the producer.
That was good.
Okay.
Got off to a slow start, but I knew that
That's all I know.
You're the one that's going to taste that. So again, give me a call 801-204-6340 to come shopping in West Jordan. Oh, I don't believe it. I don't believe.
We're getting you ready for. Man, that guy must follow everybody famous.
knew that
Oh, and we're done. Okay.
Oh, it's over?
That was
I thought I
quick.
heard
Just-
someone talking.